In today's lesson, we will learn about reading CSV files. Before we learn to read and write Excel and text files, CSV files are specially formatted files. They are smaller than Excel files. CSV stands for comma separated files. All values in it are comma separated. Every heading or cell value is separated by a comma from the next one. When it is saved in MS Excel, it is saved cell-wise, but when they are treated at that time, they are comma separated. Their manipulation as compared to CSV or text file is quite fast. If you see the definition, a CSV file is a form of plain text document which uses a particular format to organize tabular information. Tabular information is recognized in the specific format. CSV file format is a bounded text document that uses a comma to distinguish. It will be a text document in which every heading and value will be separated by a comma. Every row in the document is data log. Each log is composed of one or more fields divided by commas. All logs and components in it are separated by a comma. To read this in Python, we have two built-in modules. One is CSV module that comes built-in in Python. Second is Pandas. Pandas is a library which efficiently makes data frame from CSV files. We make data frames and use it in our programs. How to read files from these two? We will learn both. For runtime example, I have written a few codes. First, I wrote a code in which through CSV module we will read CSV file. To open this, you have to import CSV module, and after importing with open file name and the mode. The way we learn to open text file, it will be the same mode. We are in the read mode. File will behave as a handler. With keyword will be used for automatic opening of file and closing of file, and while reading, if there are chances of error, then it handles that also. The first line is to open the file and to create handler of file, the way we created in text file workbook. CSV is a module and its function is reader, and handler is our file. In CSV module, in reader function, we pass the handler. Now whatever is written in this function, it will be stored in CSV file line by line. Now whatever list is being made of CSV file, we have to iterate that with the help of for loop. After that, all data will be displayed line by line on screen. If I run this code, this is the basic example. Now the CSV file I had, these are all the headings. I will show you the file also. This is my CSV file. Its first heading is policy ID, state code, country, X site. These all are headings. In the output, it separated the first row with comma and the values of cell displayed in the first list. It displayed all lines in the form of a list. This is the basic example of reading a CSV file with CSV module.